welcome back to the channel. So today I would like to share with you my first custom order from my Etsy. This is going to be for a soon-to-be-year-old, and everything has been approved by the customer. I started this last night and I forgot to record part of the process, which is just basically cutting the fabric and adding the snaps. So that is all done. I also completed the embroidery, and I'm going to show you a little bit of that on here as well. Now, in the process of doing the snaps, I found a spot on the first cut for the diaper that I did. So I had originally set it aside and decided that I wasn't going to work with it any longer until maybe later on. And then I picked it back up and figured, let me go ahead and finish it, add an embroidery to that one as well, put it on the Etsy shop discounted, and I'm sure someone's going to like it. So, I mean, it just cashes, you know. For the custom order, I went with the embroidery that the customer approved, which is this, and it looks like this. We did two colors in here, gold and a blue. And then for the second diaper, which is my little oopsie one, I went ahead and did this embroidery. I have done this embroidery before. I think I did a video with it too, so if I find it, I'll link it somewhere on here. So this is the two embroideries that I did today. It did take a little bit of time. I think I started around 9ish, didn't finish until around 11:48, I think it was. It does take time. It's really windy outside right now. I'm pretty sure that you can hear that. It's been raining this morning. It kind of calmed down a little bit, but right now it is extremely windy out here. It'd be great for flying kites, but you know, for now, I'm going to show you the embroidery designs being embroidered, and next I'm going to put the diaper together, and I'm going to show you a little bit of the process of that, and then I'm going to show you the end results to see how these two diapers look. So for the embroidery for the other diaper that's got the little spot on the front, I went ahead and as I show you that other one, and this is what that one looks like. Again, I did this one before, I think, so I'm going to finish cleaning it up. If you see any of the little plastic, it's stabilizer that comes right off with water. So my next step will be to cut the stabilizer and then seal the embroidery. And once the embroideries are sealed, then I need to go ahead and piece the diaper together and start sewing it. The last step would be elastic in the last set of snaps. This is a custom order, and these are the colors, and it turned out beautiful. So I'm excited. I can't wait to see how this looks. So I have everything ready so far. I went ahead and sealed the embroidery on both of these. So now they are ready for the next step. Now I have to just piece the diaper together and start sewing the diaper all around. And then I also have my other pieces ready. I ran them through the serger so they have their edges already set and done. Once these are all done, then the sewing part will be next. Then will be the elastic, then the last set of snaps, and then just clean them up a little bit and they'll be all done. Then I'll go ahead and pack this Etsy order, and then I'll take some pictures of this one, disclose the minor spot on here, and then put it up on my Etsy shop, and hopefully we'll find a beautiful home soon. everything's completely done. Diapers are done. They have their snaps, their embroidery, they're all sewn up. And I'm going to show you first what the custom order looks like. I am so excited. This turned out so beautiful. The colors are absolutely beautiful. So it is for a soon-to-be 1-year-old, and this is what they had asked for. And the colors are absolutely stunning. It is a beautiful gold and blue color with gold snaps. It is a cover, and I don't know if you can tell, but I do have tags inside right there. And it's completely done. It's just so beautiful. I love when I do embroidery. It did take some time. Sometimes some of these can have at least 15,000 stitches. So just take you a little bit of time to actually get the embroidery all set and finished. And if you have a lot of color changes, it's going to take you a little more time than what the machine's telling you it's going to take. Now, this is the one that I initially first started and I realized there was a spot on it. I decided to go ahead and finish it either way. So as you can tell, there's like a minor spot right there. And what I ended up doing is decided to go ahead and finish the diaper, and then I added this embroidery, which I did not too long ago. So this is the diaper. It's completely done. Same gold snaps. Again, this was supposed to be for this order. It is also a cover, so it's got everything set and ready to go. And yeah, so the next step will be to get this ready to go to its new home. And once that's all packaged up, it'll go out, and it's gonna go out tomorrow. I didn't think the post office was open today since it's a holiday, so I kept it here with me, and I make sure it was nice and clean and tidy. And then I'm going to go ahead and package it and then send it on its way. Thank you all for watching. I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and share with someone that might like this, either embroidery or cloth diapers. I will probably finish up whatever I have left over on that little cube right there of cloth diapers, and I might move on to my next journey, hopefully, and we'll see what happens. Thank you all. Have a great day. I'll see you next one.